Hello YouTube friends and subscribers. A friend asked me to assist him with his bathroom makeover, which turned out to be a little bit more than expected. But what follows are a few of the clips of video I managed to make during that work. Hope you find it interesting. Right, so here's the bathroom we're dealing with. Windowless, rather old-fashioned, shall we say. So we're going to renew this bathroom and bring it back up to habitable standards. Okay, so we made a start on the bathroom. The bath's out. Some stainless steel pipework has cut that out, and going to see what's in this boxing here, because it apparently all the drainage disappears into there, so hopefully it's plastic when I get it open. If not, we're going to find ourselves a little bit challenged. So we're going to have a bath, a hand basin and a toilet. I've already boxed in the old cast iron pipe, the stack. So the first thing we're going to do is see if we can sort out this plaster. So I'm going to use some PVA watered down to 1 to 5 just to stabilise the plaster, because it really is quite flaky. Now this is PVA glue watered down to about 1 to 5. All we're going to do is just flash it on the dry plaster and leave it to just to stabilise the plaster and take some of the suction properties out of it. Now I'm just going to cut the holes for the tap so that we can get the legs on and the waste all in before we take the bath into the actual bathroom. Just briefly, what we've done now is fixed a batten to the wall at a height of 40 millimeters below the bath top. So that's the 40 mil. So what we're going to do in a minute is gunk that up and put the bath in. Now I've done the feet holes, they're done, and we'll have a little sweep up, and then I think we're ready to put the bath back in where it actually is going to be its final resting place. Right, we fix the legs to the bath. We have the flexible tap connectors, and we're just about set to go. And what I'm going to do now is put a little bit of silicone along the top of that batten, just so that the bath sits down on something. Admittedly, a bead that's only 5 mil thick max. I don't think that's going to do a great deal, but just to be polite, we'll whack some silicone along the top of the batten. Just make sure you peel back the wrap before you put the bath up against the wall, because you're never going to get it off after. How do I know? Then comes the fun of fixing the brackets, which, if you like rolling about on your back under the bath, this is the job for you. Enjoy. Then connect your waste to the existing piece of pipework. Make sure everything's tight, and then connect your taps to the hot and cold supply. Now the pipework has been tested for soundness, so we're now boxing in the cast iron stack. Just using plasterboard, and then we'll skim that. Next we're going to box in this pipework. You might say, why have you got so many clips? Well, some of them are duds. What I've done here is filled that hole up with foam and used a bit of old hardboard to restrain the foam from bulging through this to this side too much. Now the next thing we're going to do in this little bathroom is attempt to do some skimming, skim plaster. I don't want to go all the way up to the ceiling if I can help it, because I'm not that good at plastering. But we'll certainly do the boxing and some of the other associated areas. Right, that's the little bit of plastering done, drying off. All the pipework is now hidden. That's where the hand basin's going. That's where the WC's going. Obviously we've still got a horrible place down there to deal with. But making some progress. Tiling going well. Got the first courses in, and the novelty strip. Just going to put 2 more courses of the big 600 by 300 tiles in immediately. It may not be the best tiling you've ever seen, but I think it'll do for this property. Just needs grouting now. Now we've done the tiling in here, in our little bathroom. We've done a bit of painting to get everything roughly the right colour. And what we're going to do now a perfectly lovely mating surface there now. So we've got a Victoria plum basin and pedestal. Quite nice. Not spectacular, to be honest. And I think that's one of their taps as well. The ladder was existing. We had to take that off to hide some of the plumbing in a secret boxing around the back there. Toilet came from B&Q. Well, it didn't come from B&Q, it came from actually Screwfix, which is the same thing as B&Q. And I think the bath came from Victoria Plumbing as well, including the very flimsy bath panel. The tiles came from B&Q special offer. Well, thanks very much for watching, everyone. That's the end of our bathroom video. There's a few times when I really did want to give up, but like all DIYers, we keep going no matter what. We don't quit. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that'd be nice, thank you. You'll be able to see what else I get up to. Going around doing a few little DIY jobs around the house, around the car, and maybe some more travel videos coming up soon. Thanks again for watching.